Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We are building one of the Lego Movie 2 sets, the cutest one you've ever seen. This is Unikitty's sweetest friends ever. And look at them! There is so much cuteness in here, so much sweetness in here. It's going to be delightful and delectable, and we're going to have so much fun building it. And it's such a little packet, but it's packed full of good stuff. So, we've got Unikitty, who's very happy to be here, and we'll build her so she can be even happier to be here. And we'll make sure that all her parts are nice and straight so that she doesn't get too stroppy. There, she's got some nice little pastel feet on there, or hooves, or I don't know, what do cat unicorns have? And for her head, we've actually got two different expressions we can choose from. This really happy one, and this just generally happy with life one. So I think this one's really cute because she's going to be hanging out with her friends, having a tea party. Her eyebrows are on now, and she obviously needs the I am super duper happy face. She's got her ears on, and now she's got her Unikitty unicorn on. And Unikitty's ready! And she's so excited! She's really thrilled. Shall we make you some friends? Yay! Okay, Unikitty said yes, so we're going to make her friends. We were going to build them anyway. So I'm glad she said yes. Alright, let's see. We have got her first of her friends here. He needs some arms. He's already wearing a suit, all printed. No stickers in this set. And a great big ice cream head with lots of sprinkles on the top. In fact, even more sprinkles now. It's a double serving of sprinkles with a cherry on top. It is totally the sweetest thing. Here is his cone bottom. So we have got an ice cream cone friend for Unikitty. Here's his little stand and he's ready, and they are so excited. Oh, stop licking him. Friends do not lick friends or eat their cherry. Come on. Okay, so this guy, the ice cream cone, is the only one with arms, so he's going to be in charge of actually feeding the friends here at the tea party. So we got two friends, Unikitty and ice cream cone, and a nice little treat. This might help Unikitty not actually eat ice cream cone. That would be nice, because we don't eat our friends. And some more treats to bring to the tea party. We're going to need a tea trolley. So this is what we are building now. We need to put some wheels on it. There we go. Wheels on the front and the back. And now the trolley is ready. We're going to put a cup on it and a teapot. We could fill that up with something delicious. Might be liquid cotton candy. And what are they going to have in their tea party? They're going to have a layered chocolate cake with strawberry on the top. That looks delicious. That's making me feel very hungry. Oh, Unikitty, yeah, all right, you can eat the cake, though you should wait till the rest of your guests get here. Speaking of the rest of the guests, we need to start building the next one. Who is this guest in red and brown? Well, he's not an ice cream cone, I can tell by the shape. He is a partially unwrapped chocolate bar. This is really cute. Oh, look at that. Look, so a chocolate bar. Now all he needs are some great big googly eyes. Here's one googly eye for the chocolate bar friend. And we need a matching one, obviously, because if we don't have two eyes, he's going to be strangely balanced and he might fall over. Look, there we go. Oh, his eyes are spinning around. He's a slightly crazy chocolate bar. Now, I don't quite know how he's going to stand up, so we'll need to organise his feet, and then we can start this tea party. They're such cute little feet. So the chocolate bar's ready. We got chocolate bar. It's being fed something delicious from the ice cream cone, and here's our treats trolley. Now, ice cream cone, you are in charge of all the serving, I'm afraid, because, like I mentioned before, he's the only one with hands. But that's all right. He is up to the challenge. He's filling those cups. Nom 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 nom. And everybody's happy to be here at the tea party, including the giant chocolate bar with eyeballs. Oh my goodness me. Oh, and here's Unikitty. Oh, Unikitty. What did I tell you before? You do not lick your friends. We do not lick our friends. Oh dear, well, I suppose it is quite hard not to lick your friends when they are so very delicious. Even though you probably shouldn't. I hope you enjoyed the build. Do make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure you check out some of my other videos, and I will be back with another delicious build very, very soon. It might not be delicious, but it will still be fun. I'll see you then. Bye!